Welcome to ChinaSecurities.com and Chinese Stocks TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the Chinese small and mid-cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great Chinese investment. This is Monday, March the 30th. 3 great press releases for you as we're still in earnings seasons. Let's get straight to it. Jinpan International, JST on the NASDAQ put out their fourth quarter and full year numbers. As always, I'm going to give the full year numbers. You can go over the fourth quarters in the press release. Sales up 28.5% to $154 million. Gross profit up to $48.9 million, up from $41.6 last year. Net income up 20.5% to $19.8 million, or $2.42 per share. They also give a financial outlook for 2009. They're saying that both revenues and earnings should be up between 14 and 18% in 2009. They closed on Friday at $6.14. What does the company do? They design, manufacture, and distribute cast resin transformers for voltage distribution equipment both in China and around the world. Next up, Hong Kong Highpower Technology put out the results for the year ended December 31st, 2008, trading on the NYSE under HPJ, a developer of nickel metal hydride and lithium-ion batteries and related products. As you can imagine, growing industry, no doubt about that. Here are the full year numbers. Net sales, $75 million, up 2.5%. Gross profit up 34.8% to $12.8 million. Net income up 20.5% to $2 million, or 15 cents per share. As of December 31st, they had cash equivalents, and restricted cash of about $9 million. They closed on Friday at $2.80. And finally, the one press release I probably like the best of the 3 of them today, China Northeast Petroleum, OTC CNEH is an oil-producing company in northern China. Sales up 201% to $58.5 million. Gross profit up 255% to $37.5 million. Net income up 282% to $19.6 million, or 98 cents per share. The company closed on Friday at $1.42. So you've got a company here trading at about 1.5 times earnings. Now, first, you got to do your own due diligence. Make sure you don't have any skeletons in the closet for this company. But if not, that's unbelievable value. And we're seeing a lot of this, a lot of babies thrown out with the bathwater in Q4 and Q1 as the large funds and institutions had to liquidate due to the credit crisis and the crisis around the world, leaving a lot of great values. We even have people like Crocker Colson on CNBC Asia who was on there pounding the table about the fact there are a lot of companies trading at or near cash values, some even below cash values, or really, really low multiples. So you've got to do your own due diligence. But if you can find ones where there aren't any red flags, then you got the potential to make a lot of money in the next 5 years. And that's why we here at ChinaSecurities.com think this is a great sector to be in for the next 5, 10 years and beyond. As always, if you look for more great small cap and mid cap companies, go to ChinaSecurities.com. 2 things you're going to find there. First, the front page, all the latest big news coming out of about 250 companies that we're tracking. It's got to be big news. None of this is normal course stuff. News like you just heard about today, so you can catch up over the last 2 or 3 days. Also, we've got the directory of companies, over 200 companies now listed by industry and exchange with really succinct descriptions, so you can quickly find the one that best suits your portfolio. A plethora of information. Make sure you make ChinaSecurities.com your home, and I'll see you tomorrow.